Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many people. Why most people fail at making money online. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, seeing all these gurus promising easy riches and a laptop lifestyle. But the truth is, it's not that simple. For every person finding success online, there are countless others struggling to make a single dollar. Why is that? Well, more often than not, it comes down to a few critical mistakes that many people make. In this video, we're going to break down the 5 biggest reasons why people fail to make money online. More importantly, I'm going to give you actionable advice on how to avoid these pitfalls so you can set yourself up for success. Let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes I see people making is going into the online world without a clear direction. It's like hopping in your car and starting to drive without having a destination in mind. You might get somewhere, but it's probably not going to be where you want to be. You need to know exactly what you want to achieve, and I mean specifically. Don't just say you want to make money online. That's way too vague. Do you want to build an e-commerce store, become an affiliate marketer, offer freelance services? Once you have a specific goal, break it down even further. If you want to build an e-commerce store, what are you going to sell? Who is your target audience? How much revenue do you want to generate in your first year? Having these specific, measurable goals will not only give you direction, but will also help you track your progress and stay motivated. Remember, you can't hit a target you can't see. One of the biggest misconceptions about making money online is that it's all about passive income and working just a few hours a week from a beach somewhere. While that might be the dream, the reality is that building a successful online business takes a lot of work, especially in the beginning. And if you don't manage your time effectively, you'll quickly find yourself overwhelmed and burnt out. Trust me, I've been there. When I first started on YouTube, I was working full-time as a realtor and spending every spare minute I had creating content and building my channel. It was tough, but I knew I had to be disciplined with my time if I wanted to make it work. Set aside specific blocks of time each day dedicated to working on your online business. Treat it like a real job because it is. Avoid distractions during those times. Put your phone on silent, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and focus on the task at hand. Chapter 3. Let's face it, building an online income stream isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. You're not going to see results overnight, and anyone who tells you otherwise is lying. The key is to show up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. It's easy to get discouraged when you're putting in the work and not seeing immediate results. But trust me, those small, consistent actions will compound over time. Think of it like building a house. Laying one brick a day might not seem like much, but eventually those bricks will turn into walls, and those walls will turn into a house. The same goes for your online business. Stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Chapter 4. The online world is constantly evolving. New platforms emerge, algorithms change, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be a lifelong learner. Invest in yourself and your education. Take online courses, attend webinars, read books and blog posts, and learn from others in your industry. The more you learn, the more valuable your skills become. Don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies and tactics. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's important to find what works best for you and your business. Chapter 5. Let's be real. The online world is a breeding ground for scams. Everyone's looking for a quick buck, and there are plenty of people out there willing to take advantage of that. You'll see ads promising to make you thousands of dollars overnight with little to no effort. It's tempting, right? But here's the truth. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Legitimate online businesses take time and effort to build. Don't fall for these get-rich-quick schemes. They're designed to take your money, not make you money. Do your research, read reviews, and be wary of anything that promises unrealistic returns. Remember, if you're not sure about something, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of why most people fail at making money online and, more importantly, how you can avoid making those same mistakes. Building a successful online business is possible, but it takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's about taking consistent action, even when it's tough, and always striving to improve. If you can do that, there's no limit to what you can achieve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. See you next time.